15 years now, and I love this property. 10 acres. It comes with this beautiful pond, or at one time it was beautiful. Why is this pond not the way it was before?
A lot of it is from runoff from the farms around. A lot of the leaves fall into the pond and turns into rotting materials at the bottom. So that builds up. The weeds just eventually will take over the pond if it's left unmaintained.
Weeds be gone. The first thing that came to my mind was, weeds be gone, you're a landscaper. But you're not a landscaper.
We're not landscapers, we're pondscapers.
Pondscapers.
Yeah. We turn swamps into swimming pools sometimes.
I can't wait to see this. Let's do it.
Okay.
Gotta be kidding me. I gotta get me one of those.
You can tell this pond hasn't been maintained in a long time.
I got 10 acres. I'm working on the house, the garage, the shop, all kinds of other things. I didn't know I had to maintain the pond. I do now. The bulrush is what we need to do, is cut them right at the bottom. What's great about this is he's got that little cutter that cuts them. What happens is the water goes back in and drowns them and they can't regrow again, because right now this is looking like a mess.
Oh yeah, put your hat on for this one.
Nick has been going for about 10 minutes and he's already cleared this area. And what a way to trim the pond. With me and my guys, it would take, I don't know, a week in probably full suits to get in that water. Talk about a mess, talk about frustration. What he's doing is literally going up the side of the pond, almost hedging the wild growth, bringing it back down in the pond, letting it float. Later on, he's gonna grab his cage, pull it out of the pond, and put it in the bin that we have placed here. Afterwards, cleaning the bottom, also putting that in another bin, then additives go in. That's gonna fill it with the better nutrients to keep it clean, to keep it looking really good. That sounds like a pretty quick process.